Want to give your Shopify store a brand new look? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to upload a theme file to Shopify in just a few clicks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. First, from your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Online Store. Here you'll see the Themes section. Scroll down to the theme library where all your current and past themes are stored. Now click the Add Theme button and choose Upload Zip File. Select the theme zip file from your computer, then hit Upload. Make sure the file is in .zip format since Shopify only accepts that. Once uploaded, your new theme will appear in the theme library. It won't be live yet. You can preview it, customize it, and activate it when you're ready. And that's it. You've uploaded a new Shopify theme in under 2 minutes. Try different designs until you find the one that fits your brand perfectly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.